Hello everyone, my name is Ria Lewis and I am here today to walk you through the process on how to file a formal complaint with your telecommunications service provider if you're having an issue with them. Whether it's mobile, fixed line, broadband or cable TV service, the NTRC is here to assist you in resolving a dispute against your service provider. When filing a complaint, we have a process that is called a dispute complaint procedure. The dispute complaint procedure is the official process that allows the customers to resolve their issues with their telecommunications service providers. This process ensures that your complaint is documented properly, that you are heard, and that you have an avenue for resolving your complaint against the service provider. And we have a process as well for if you are not satisfied when you file your complaint. So step one, where do you get your complaint form? You can collect your complaint forms at the NTRC's office, which is located opposite the Girls High School bus terminal, or you can collect them from the service provider's office, whether it is in Kingstown, Vichy Highway, wherever the service provider is located. They are also mandated to have these complaint forms available there. You can also get it from the NTRC's website. It's www.ntrc.vc. The form would ask you for details such as your contact information. So you would have to provide a contact phone number or an email address, your name. You would also have to provide information on what the complaint is about, in addition to how you hope to have that complaint resolved. And then you would sign it and date it, and you can submit it directly to the service provider, or you can request the assistance of the NTRC. You can bring the form to us, and then we would forward it to the service provider on your behalf. After you submit your complaint form 1 to the service provider is supposed to acknowledge receipt of your complaint within 3 days. This acknowledgement ensures or assures you that your complaint was received and it is being reviewed. The service provider is obligated to investigate the matter and then communicate to you what they propose to do to resolve your issue. This should not take them more than 30 days. If after the 30 days has passed and you're not satisfied with the resolution or the proposed solution, then you can move on to step 2, which is getting the NTRC involved. In order to get the NTRC involved, you would then have to fill out a complaint form 2, which is also located at our office, or you can get these online on our website, www.ntrc.vc. The complaint form 2 basically gives the NTRC the permission to intervene on your behalf. Once you've submitted your complaint form 2, the NTRC may request additional information from you, the customer, such as bills or any reports from a technician in the past if they have investigated the issue, or any supporting documentation that relates or could assist in the investigation of your complaint. So once we have gotten the necessary documentation, the NTRC would review your complaint and determine next step on how we can get it resolved. This process ensures that the consumers are treated fairly and that the service providers are held accountable. Filing a complaint does not have to be stressful, and knowing the process puts the power back in the consumer's hands. If you like this video and you want to know more, like, follow, and subscribe for more tips.